Hi, in this video, you'll learn how to decode the VIN number of your Chevrolet Corvette C3 and uncover the original factory specifications that define your car. First, let's locate the VIN. On all Corvette C3 models from 1968 to 1982, the VIN plate is mounted on the driver's side windshield pillar. You can see it directly through the windshield from outside the car. Next comes the decoding. Go to CorvetteC3Decoder.com. The link is in the video description. Click the Decoder button in the top menu, enter your VIN, and press Decode. Next, you'll see all the decoded information, which varies depending on your Corvette's specific model year. The decoder shows details such as the exact model year, body style, engine type, assembly plant, and production sequence number. Here's the decoded information for my own 1976 Corvette, so you can see how simple it is to check what your car really is. Try it yourself at CorvetteC3Decoder.com. It's completely free. In addition to the VIN decoder, CorvetteC3Decoder.com also provides detailed information from other codes, such as the trim tag for factory paint, interior trim, upholstery, and engine codes. You can also use the birthday calculator to determine your Corvette's exact production date. Happy decoding!